Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application. Tap on the account button down below that can be found on the right side corner of the screen. You should scroll down to the preferences section and tap on notification settings, which is the first option in this section. Tap on your home alerts, and here you can turn it on either by selecting the email option or push notification option. So basically that's it. Your home alerts will be enabled in this section. So if you would like to turn them on or off, just simply come back and tap on the relevant buttons. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.